Erie. Expected to be 4 feet of flood stage. We've already got an icy flooding that's invading Highway 5 near the Hamburg area at Buffalo Harbor. 20-foot waves just offshore Lake Erie right now, hammering this area. Look at the surge. I've seen debris lines coming in, flooding the low-lying areas around the eastern tip of Lake Erie, and that includes Highway 5 that is closed. I'm at the marina here in Buffalo Harbor, documenting the Seiche. Winds gusting 60 to 70 miles an hour here as the Arctic front filters in, and you can actually feel a little bit of some moderation of the temperatures. It's a little bit warmer here off the eastern tip of the lake, but definitely some of the most extreme winter conditions I've ever experienced here in Buffalo, and it's only going to get a lot worse. The piling up of the water, the pressure fall, as the low pressure continues to intensify, it's only going to get worse here in Buffalo. The core of the lake effect snow band has now moved into downtown Buffalo. You can see the whiteout conditions here. This is as the lake effect band is consolidating over the main axis of Lake Erie. That's creating whiteout conditions out here, winds gusting to 60 miles an hour. The storm surge, or the Seiche, has already come in, and it continues to rise as well. So dangerous, icy waters are coming ashore. Hamburg, homes are getting flooded down there as well, and along Buffalo Harbor. But just look at the whiteout conditions out here. Flash, freeze in full effect. Blizzard conditions now. These are straight up blizzard conditions. Definitely coupled with the very heavy snowfall rates, prolific lake effect snow happening here. I'm in downtown Buffalo, where dangerous blizzard conditions are prevailing. Look at this intersection back behind me. This is over out here toward the harbor, an area where that storm surge was happening earlier. Now you can't even see it out there. This could be one of the worst blizzards to ever hit the Buffalo area, likely the worst when it's all said and done. 5 to 6 feet of snow, brutal wind chills, a brutal, unprecedented Seiche, and which is a storm surge along the eastern tip of Lake Erie. Just brutal conditions out here happening.